Hey, guys, today, let's try to cancel our premium free trial on YouTube. So if you guys have a free trial, or if you guys avail the free trial from the YouTube Premium, and you want to go ahead and cancel that, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end. Alright, you guys. So what we need to do first is to launch the YouTube application. Then in the moment, what we want to go ahead and do from here is to tap on our U tabs, and then tap on our settings option at the top right. Next, once we are already here, I want you to proceed with accessing the purchases and membership setting right here. Now, you will see the option for you to cancel the membership if you do have one available. So the option for you to cancel, that should be located right here on your memberships. If you do have one active, just tap on your membership and you should see the Manage tab. Now, the Manage tab is gonna take you to the option to manage your subscription, and it will redirect you to a browser setting containing the link to cancel your YouTube subscription. I want you guys to just go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions on there for you guys to cancel your YouTube subscription. And it's that easy, guys. If you guys are watching this video, please like it and subscribe, and take care.